Hello guys, welcome back to yet another review video. In this video, we'll review the first build of Android 11 for OnePlus 7 series, which is based on Oxygen OS 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I've been using this device as my primary device. First of all, let me show you the software information. Here you can see device is OnePlus 7 Pro, which is running on Android 11 version, and build number says Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 1. So this is the first build for OnePlus 7 series based on Android 11. And there are few minor bugs here and there, but with no doubt it can be used as daily driver without having to compromise on main features. The only one thing you need to do, and if you guys are facing lots of bugs on Android 11 builds, for once make sure to perform a factory reset, because after installing Android 11 on my device, I performed a factory reset, and after that I haven't faced any kind of major bugs yet. We have been getting lots of comments about the new gaming tool, whether it is available or not. So yes, new gaming tool and mistouch prevention feature have been added on this latest build of Oxygen OS, which is Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 1, and that can be easily accessed from the GameSpace application. On the right top corner you can see gaming tool is available, and if you scroll down you'll also find an option of mistouch prevention, and both the things works fine while playing games. And also few users have this thing in mind that device charging speed have been reduced after updating the device to Android 11. But that's not the case guys. OnePlus have added this new feature called optimized charging. So if you have enabled this feature, device might take longer than usual to charge your device from 0 to 100. And this completely depends on the charging pattern, how you charge your device. But if you guys are not happy with this feature, you can directly turn it off from the battery section. But I will recommend you guys to keep it on. This will also help in longer run of your device battery. And there was a bug on this latest build which I personally faced while playing PUBG, and that was related to gyroscope. As I always keep gyro on while playing PUBG, I wasn't able to record the video, but gyroscope was automatically moving after even device was kept stable. And also if you guys are facing that issue, you can use any calibration app to calibrate the gyroscope. I did that, and after that I did not face any kind of issues. Right now you can see gyro is completely stable until unless I am moving my device. Also, pictures in the gallery application keeps on reloading whenever you open the application. And yes, that's a bug which OnePlus have already mentioned on the forum. And that's not something major issue. Along with the gallery issue, OnePlus have also mentioned the issue related to brightness. So yes, minor calibration is required, but hopefully that will be done in the upcoming builds. Next issue what people have been facing is related to Canvas, which is a new addition on OnePlus 7 series. And it was reported that it is not working on OnePlus 7 series after the update of Android 11. But here that's not the case on my OnePlus 7 Pro. For me this feature works great with no issues. If you guys are still facing that issue, you can update this application called Canvas AOD from the Play Store. And if you guys are not able to find this application in the Play Store, let me know in the comment section below. I'll provide you the APK file. I also saw few comments that haptic feedback performance have been downgraded after the update of Android 11. But I personally don't feel that. I feel haptic feedback is now more sharp and it's bit accurate. But yes, if there are bugs, you can always give a feedback on OnePlus community app. So guys, these were the few bugs which I have personally found while using Oxygen OS 11 on my OnePlus 7 Pro. Another bug is related to heating issues, which we'll cover it in our performance part. Now let's talk about the camera part. And this was the major question asked in the comments, whether any changes have been done or did I even notice any kind of improvements related to camera. So first of all, slight UI changes have been done related to camera application, and the version of the camera is version 6.4.23. There are no new additions done. Also people asked me whether focus tracking feature have been added in video recording. Then that's not been added. We just have this super stable mode. And guys, trust me, I did not find any kind of improvements on the camera after updating the device to Android 11. Here are few samples which I clicked after updating the device. I would have made a dedicated camera video, but after checking out the picture quality, I thought I need to wait for another update. When you try to click pictures using 2x zoom, the device struggles to focus, and also you will see lots of changes in the color segment. Night mode also requires lots of improvements, which struggles to take pictures of moving objects. So I'm personally not happy with the camera performance after upgrading the device to Android 11. With future builds, if I see any kind of improvements, I'll for sure make a dedicated video on camera. Now let's move on to the battery part. And here also with battery segments, I did not see any kind of major improvements but for sure slight optimizations are required in background management. And these are the battery cycles which I got it on my OnePlus 7 Pro. With first cycle I got 2 hours and 33 minutes of screen on time with heavy gaming. On second cycle I got 2 hours and 37 minutes again with good amount of gaming and using few other social media applications. On third cycle I got 4 hours and 26 minutes of screen on time with my normal usage. And on the fourth cycle I got 4 hours and 33 minutes of screen on time again with normal usage. So yes, OnePlus can again do better in battery segment, and for me it's a decent battery backup. I won't say it's a great one. So yes, let's see if OnePlus makes any kind of improvement in the battery segment in upcoming updates. And here we have the battery drain overnight. So I've been getting around 6 to 7% of battery drain on my device in ideal condition. Per hour 1% of battery drain to be seen, and in this condition device was only connected to Wi-Fi network. Last but not the least, now let's talk about the performance part. So basically if I talk about the UI performance, I did not face any kind of glitches or lags till now. Device have been performing pretty good, and the RAM usage is also pretty decent. My device has been using 4.5 GB out of 8 GB as per my usage. And this will vary for every individual depending on their usage pattern. If you talk about gaming, I've been playing PUBG with higher graphics settings, and PUBG on my OnePlus 7 Pro supports 90 FPS. So I've been playing this game with 90 FPS, and yes, at some particular situation FPS used to drop till 70, but device was able to maintain between 80 to 90. The only issue what I've been facing is related to heating of the device. If I also play game for around 8 to 9 minutes, you can consider a single TDM, device temperature reaches up to around 43 degrees Celsius, and in some cases I have also noticed around 47 degrees Celsius, which is slightly higher if I had to compare it with Oxygen OS 11. And now if I had to suggest you guys whether to update your device to Android 11 or not, then I won't say no to it, because there are not much of bugs. Few things what they have mentioned on the OnePlus community, and those are not major ones. You can avoid those bugs and still use your device as a primary device. We'll wait for the next build to come out. As soon as it comes out, I'll make a video on that. And also you guys let me know what are your thoughts on Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 1 for OnePlus 7 series. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.